Okay, this video is a supplement video for the lecture, the architecture of computer hardware and system software. So this lecture is with the topic of integrated circuit and the Boolean algebra. Okay, so we focus on the Boolean algebra. So sa Boolean algebra, we have switches. When we say switches, pinag-usapan natin lang dito is on and off. So this on and off represent 0 and 1 in the binary digital circuit, or we call it logic gates. Okay? So in the Boolean algebra, the result govern constant and variables that can take on two values lang. So what are the two values? Either that is true or false, on and off, yes or no, or the 0 and 1. Sa Boolean logic, we have rules. Number one rules is for handling Boolean constant and variables. So we have three fundamentals operator or operation dito. No? What are those three fundamentals operation? So we have the first one, which is the and the second one is the or, and the last one is, we call it not. Okay? Then we have also truth table dito. What is the truth table? Truth table specify the result for all possible input combination. So given na yung truth table dito. Pero ipoprove lang natin paano niya nakuha yung output based on this Boolean logic. Okay? So the first Boolean logic natin is the AND. Okay? So yung kanyang truth table dito is we have input A, input B, and i-represent lang natin yung output niya ng C. So, pwede namang baguhin tong mga to. Okay? So, ang input niya is 0 and 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So, yung output daw niya sa AND is 0, 0, 0, 1. Kasi ang NOT, kasi ang AND is result true if and only if both input operands are true. So, magiging true lang daw siya kapag alin sa dalawang input ay true. Okay? So, ulitin ko ang AND operator is true lang daw ang sagot kapag both input operands are true. So, ipoprove natin ngayon to. Sa Boolean operator, we call, suot natin siya, yung kanyang formula. C is equal to A times B. Okay? So, i-prove natin, no? I-represent lang natin yung input to this one. So, C is yung input niya. Ang A natin is 0, multiplied by yung B input, which is 0. So, 0 times 0 is equal to 0. Next natin, yung bilang ang 1. So, 0 times 1. So, any number multiplied by 0, still the answer is 0. So, next natin, so tama na yon. Next natin is ang A naman, ang 1. So, this is 1 multiplied by 0. So, the answer still 0. Then, the last one, both input is 1. So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So, na-prove natin, no? Na ang AND daw result true if and only if both input operands are true. Okay? So next, which is the or we call it inclusive OR. So sa inclusive OR, ang sabi diyan, result true if any input operands are true. So sabi niya, kahit alin daw doon ay may true, ang sagot niya ay true. Okay? So, this is the truth table for this inclusive OR we call it OR. So, A, input B, then output. So, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So, i-prove lang natin. So, ang sagot daw niya is 0, 1, 1, 1. So, ipaprove ko lang na tama yung kanyang result. So, C is equal to A plus B. This is the formula, ha? So, C, yung A natin is 0 plus 0, yung B input. So, 0 to. So, correct yun. So, next natin, yung B ang 1. So, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Next natin, so tama yun. Sorry, parang mali. 1 and 0 to. So, yung A ang 1, then yung B natin is 0. So, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then, on the last, pareho silang 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So, na-prove natin na tama. So, next natin is the NOT. Okay? Sabi sa NOT, ang NOT daw result true if single input value is false. Okay? Kasi naka-NOT siya. So, pag true daw, false yun. Pag false, true yun. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin no? So, isa lang ang input nito. Output ka agad. Okay? So, to 0 and 1. So, pagbabaanuhin lang natin. Kabaligtaran niya. So, this is the formula. A bar. Okay, inanat mo lang. Okay. A bar. So, kapag ang input natin ng A is 0, so 0 to naka-NOT, so malamang, pag ninat mo, yung kabaligtaran niya is 1. On. Kapag ang input niya ay 1, naka-NOT, ang kanyang sagot is 0. Okay? That is how to solve the NOT operator. Then next, ito yung medyo nakaka-confuse, no? The exclusive OR. Okay? Ulitin ko ha, exclusive OR, or we call it E-OR, or ang tawag dyan is XOR. Okay? X tapos OR. So, lagay ko lang exclusive OR or E-OR. Or mas maganda kung wag na yan, XOR. Okay? So, sa XOR, sabi dyan, result true if either A or B is true, but not both. Okay? Ulitin ko ha, ang exclusive OR is result true if either A or B is true, but not both. So, hindi pwedeng pareho. Pero kapag yung A is true, ang ating output is true. Kapag B ang true, 0 ang A, true pa rin ang ating sagot. So, this is the truth table. Ipoprove ko ulit. Okay? So, we have input A, B, and the C. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, at yung last is both 1. Okay? So, ang sagot daw dito ay 0, 1, 1, and this is 0. Okay? So, sa exclusive OR, ang kanyang formula is C is equal to A XOR, gaya ng pagkakaano niya, bilog with the cross, B. Or, we can derive it from A exclusive or B. Eto ha, ang kanyang derive. A plus B multiplied by A times B naka-NOT. Okay? So, ito yung long method. Para hindi kayo malito rito, ito na lang ang gamitin natin. Okay? The long method. So, i-represent lang natin yung bawat input dito. Yung value ng input doon sa kanyang formula. So, sabi dyan, yung A is 0 plus 0 kasi parehong input natin is 0. So, multiplied by 0 times 0 naka-bar. Okay? So, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 multiplied by 0 times 0 is equal to 0. Okay? Naka-bar. Para hindi kayo dito. So, 0 times 0 naka-NOT. Okay? So, that is 1. Right? So, 0 times 1 is equal to 0. So, tama yung kanyang output. Okay. Next natin. Susulat ko ulit yung formula. Para hindi tayo malito. A plus B times A times B bar. Right? Bar yan. So, yung ating next na input is, yung A natin is 0, yung B natin is 1. So, ito yung gagamitin natin ha. So, A is 0. So, yung B ang 1. Plus. So, times. Yung A ulit natin is 0. Times 1. Naka-bar. Okay. So, ito muna. So, this is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Multiplied natin. 0 times 1 is ilan? 0. Pero naka-bar siya. So, ilalagay mo doon para hindi ka malito. So, 1 times 1. Iwa-1 ko muna yon. Ilolong method natin. Okay? Inat ko muna siya. So, 1 times 0, naka-nat. Kaya, 1 times 1 yan. Okay? So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So, tama yung kanyang sagot dito. No? The output. 0, 1. Ang sagot niya is 1. Mali yung aking nilagay dito. This is 0. Okay? Next natin. Yung B naman ang 0. Yung 1 naman ang 1. Yung A ang 1. So, next natin. 1 ang A. So, this is A plus B times A times B bar. So, ulitin ko. Sa truth table natin, 1 ang A, 0 ang B. Tapos, ang output daw niya ay 1. So, ipoprob lang natin. So, 1 plus 0 times 1 times 0. Naka-bar. So, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Multiplied by 1 times 0 is equal to 0. Naka-bar. Okay. So, inanat ko muna yon. 1 times 0 nakanat. So, that is 1. Okay. So, 1 times 0, ang answer natin is 1. So, na-prove na naman natin yung kanyang next na data. Dun sa truth table. So, tama to. 1 and 0 is equal to 1. Then, the last one, both 1. Okay? Yung A and B is both odd or both true. So, sabi dun sa ating exclusive OR, result true if either A or B is true but not both. So, dapat 0 yung magiging sagot niya. Okay? So, i-prove lang natin. Sulat natin ulit yung kanyang formula. A plus B times A times B bar. Okay. So, sinulat ko lang yung formula niya. Tapos, susupplement lang natin yung both input. Okay. So, sabi dun sa ating truth table, both input is 1. So, 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 bar. Okay. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 times. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Pero naka-bar. Okay? So, i-rewrite ko lang to. 1 times itong one suiting ko. 1 na naka-not, that is 0. So, 1 times 0, the answer is 0. So, na-prove natin na sa result ng exclusive OR, true if either A or B is true but not both. So, that is pag-solve nung kanya XOR, or we call it exclusive OR. Okay. So, ito yung kanyang tinatawag nating computer implementation o yung ating gates or we call it logical gates. Okay? Para mas maintindihan nyo kung paano siya i-solve. Kasi later, sa mga susunod natin mga lecture, gagamitin na natin yung logic gates. Okay. Wala ako ng scratch. So, yung ating basic operator, meron tayong operation. We have AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. So, sa AND gate muna, sa AND gate, ito ang kanyang logical gates. So, 2 inputs to. Meron 3 inputs, meron 4 inputs. Pero doon muna tayo sa 2 inputs. 2 input AND gate. So, ito ang kanyang symbol. So, this is the input A, input B, and the output. Okay? Yan, ha? Mahaba. Okay. Next natin, OR gate. So, this is input A, input B. May pa-curve lang dito. Then, patulis. So, this is the output. Okay? Sa NOT gate, single input lang naman siya. So, ganyan lang. Then, may bubbles doon. So, this is the output. And this is the A. Okay? So, yung exclusive OR, or we call it XOR gate. So, ito ang OR yun eh. Pero, exclusive OR. So, parang ganyan din, pero dalawa ang sa input. So, this is input A, and this is B. So, ganyan. Then, saka mo lalagay yung OR gate. So, this is the output. So, ito yung exclusive OR. Sa ating mga logic gates, pwede rin namang combination to. No? Example, yung ating AND gate, pwedeng lagyan ba ng NOT? Okay? Pwede. So, ganito ang magiging itsura ng AND gate with a NOT, or we call it NAND gate. Okay? NAND gate. Okay? So, ganito lang siya. Same ng kanyang gate, but with the bubble. Ha? So, may bubble doon. Okay? So, ang magiging itsura niya is this, the A, input A, B, and this 2. Yan. Pwede rin naman ganito. Kaya lang medyo mahaba na siya. So, sulat mo yung unang gates natin. Tapos, ilagay mo yung NOT. Lagay mo ng bubble. Dito yung input A, dito yung B. Hindi mo pwedeng ilagay dito sa in-between ng AND gate at saka ng NOT yung output mo. Dapat sa labas. Kasi pag dito, ang sagot niya is AND gate pa lang. Pag dito mo, NAND gate na siya. Or ganito. Okay? Next natin. NOR or NOT OR gate. Okay? NOR gate. NOR gate. So, the same with the OR gate, lalagyan mo lang siya ng bubble doon sa kanyang unahan. So, yan. Ganon. And may bubble dito. So, this is the C, and this is the A and B. Okay. Yan yung kanyang extended, yung possible na combination. So, susunod natin is, bibigay ako ng example sa Boolean algebra, how to solve using the truth table at saka yung given. Okay? So, that's all for this supplement video. Thank you.